Hello everyone, today we are going to study about few terms which used to express the concentration of the solution. So first term is mass percentage. Which is denoted as W by W. So the formula of mass percentage is mass of the component in the solution upon total mass of solution into 100. That is, we can say mass of solute upon mass of solution. Be careful that it is solution, not solvent, into 100. Okay, example, if it is written 10% of solution of sodium carbonate by mass. So what it means? Let's first write it. 10% solution of sodium carbonate by mass. If it is written, it means that जो हमारा solution है, that is 100 ग्राम के solution में 10 ग्राम sodium carbonate present है. Okay. If it is written a solution of NaCl in water is 5% is weight by weight, it means that 5 gram of NaCl is present in 100 gram of solution. It means that जो हमारा solution है वो 100 gram का solution है और उसमें 5 gram NaCl present है. So we will write 5 gram NaCl is present in 100 gram of solution. It is solution. Okay, be careful with it. That is, students get confused or they get sometime. Let's try to solve one question. Suppose 15 gram NaCl dissolved in 100 gram water. Find weight by weight. So how we will solve? Weight by weight is equal to, as we know, mass of solute upon mass of solution. So here mass of solute is 15 and the mass of solution is 15 plus 100, not 100. Okay, so we will write 115 and we will solve it. Sorry, here I have to write it is in percentage. %13.04%. Now second term we are going to discuss about volume percentage, which is written as V by V. So formula of volume percentage is volume of solute. Here we will write volume, not mass, as earlier we have written mass of solute. For volume percentage we will write volume of solute upon volume of solution. It is solution, not solvent. 200. Example, if written HCl aqueous solution is 7% V by V. It means 7 ml of HCl is present in 100 ml of solution. इसका मतलब हम कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारा 100 ml का solution है, जिसका वॉल्यूम 100 ml है, उसमें 7 ml of HCl present है. Sorry, I am again repeating my words. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर कोई 100 ml का solution है तो उसमें 7 ml HCl present है. Okay. Third term we are going to use mass by volume percentage. Third term we are going to study mass by volume percentage. It is written as W by V. So formula of mass by, that is W by V, is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution. वेट है तो हम यहाँ पे मास लिखेंगे और अपॉन में वॉल्यूम है तो हमें वॉल्यूम लिखना है. ठीक है, इनटू 100. एग्जाम्पल, NaCl solution is 10% W by V. So अगर जैसे लिखा हुआ है कि NaCl solution is 10% W by V, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 100 ग्राम solution में 10 ग्राम of NaCl present है. We will write, it means 10 gram of NaCl is present in 100 ml of solution. I hope these three terms are clear. Now we will study about fourth term. Now we are going to study about mole fraction. Okay, first I'm going to write its formula. Mole fraction is denoted by this word. The formula of mole fraction is number of moles of component upon total number of all components. Okay, let's try to understand what it's mean. Suppose we have a container, and in this container I have two components, A and B. Okay, so now I want to calculate what is the fraction of this A component in this container. So it means now we have to find the mole fraction of A. So we will write mole of A. Mole is denoted by N. Okay, so we will write mole of A upon total mole. Total means mole of A plus mole of B. Okay, suppose we have to find what is a fraction of B in this container. We will write mole of B upon total mole. Total mole means mole of A plus mole of B. Okay, suppose this container have C component. Okay, so we will write the mole fraction of C is mole of C upon mole of A plus mole of B plus mole of C. Okay, ये दो फॉर्मूला तब था जब सिर्फ कंटेनर में दो ही कंपोनेंट्स थे. ये फॉर्मूला तब आया जब कंटेनर में सी कंपोनेंट भी आ गया. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू स्टडी थ्री मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म्स, दैट इज मोलैरिटी, मोलैलिटी and normality. So these three we will study in next video. Thank you.